time. So because of lack of time, we will try to distribute the award in our school. Okay? And now, I would like to request our director, sir, to distribute the award for based on today's performance. So I would like to request our director, sir, to please come on stage. And I'm gonna read their names, and they are requested to come here on stage and receive the award from the director, sir. So I think some of you might even have predicted it. And now I'm gonna announce the name. For Best in Music, Anis Gaik from class 10. Please give him a big round of applause. Best in Music in Girls goes to Maya Bika. In English Drama, it goes to Riksan Bijuksi from class 6. Next, we have got the Nepali Drama. And in Nepali Drama, the best actor goes to Dheeraj Khatri from class 7. Now we have got the best dancer in female. It's Meena Bika from class 9. For male, and it goes to Surya Prakash Gurung from class 9. Best in art and craft, it goes to Eric Chantel. Best in art and craft in female, it goes to Ronu Shrestha. Some of the students, they had participated in NPAPSN Sports Meet and got the result. They really made us feel very, very proud. And we would also like to acknowledge their effort. And I would like to call their name now. Best in sports in male, it goes to Surya Gurung from class 9. Best in sports in female, it goes to Sabita Gautam from class 7. And based on today's performance, the best performer, it goes to none other than two magicians, Bharat Gurung and Bobit Gautam. Both of them are from class 8. Because of the lack of time, we will distribute the award in the school. Now, I think this is the end of our show, and I would like to ask our principal madam to come here on stage and give vote of thanks.